Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I made this delicious banga soup. If you have any other plan for diet today, forget it, because this Delta-style Banga Soup and Starch is about to tempt you. If you know real Nigerian swallow, then you already know this meal is not for the weak. First thing first, I'm starting with my catfish. And honestly, the easiest way to wash catfish for me, hot water. Simple, quick, and it removes that slimy feeling perfectly. Now let me show you the stars of the show. We have banga spices, fresh palm fruit extract. Yes, I extracted it myself off camera. Banga stick, banga leaf, crayfish, white kpomo, dry fish, yellow pepper, also known as Ose Nsukka, Ogiri, stockfish head, seasoning cubes, scent leaf, bitter leaf, and of course our starch. Into the pot goes the rich palm fruit extract. Then I added the yellow pepper, stockfish head, white kpomo, dry fish, seasoning cube, salt, and the banga spices. Give that a good stir. Then I added the banga stick for that deep traditional flavor. Please, if you have watched to this extent, kindly hit the like button to support the channel. Cover it up and let all that goodness cook together for about 20 minutes. While that is boiling, let us prepare our scent leaf. And yes, so I squeezed it the same way we wash bitter leaf. If you know, you know. Just look at this soup after 20 minutes. Tell me this is not beauty in a pot. Next, I added crayfish for that rich seafood flavor. Then we have the king of aroma entered the chat, Ogiri. I mixed it with some hot soup first so it melts properly before adding it back into the pot. One taste, it needed a little more salt, so I added just a touch. And now, the superstar of today's video enters gracefully. The catfish. At this point, you need to stir gently. Catfish is so soft and delicate, and we are not trying to make fish porridge here. Cover again and let it cook for another 20 minutes. 20 minutes later, our banga soup is basically shouting, "I am ready." So I added the banga leaf, a touch of scent leaf, and just a little bitter leaf for that balanced traditional taste. Stir gently. Then I tasted it again and let it cook for just 2 more minutes. And just like that, our rich Delta-style banga soup is ready. But wait, we cannot leave the starch behind. In a pot, I added red oil. I mixed the starch with water like I was making pap, poured it in, and started turning it. Let me confess something, people from People from Delta, Nsukka, Benue, and every state that eat starch regularly. I respect you people, because this turning of starch is basically an upper body workout. My hand was crying. And finally, our starch is ready. Look at this combo: rich, thick, flavorful banga soup with soft starch. Honestly, this is not food anymore. This is an experience. If this video made you hungry, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious Nigerian recipes. Now, you guys come and join me and eat. I enjoyed this masterpiece in peace. It's so delicious. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.